Hi, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I have a message for you. It is do not interfere with someone else's pruning season. What is pruning, you might ask? It's to trim a tree, shrub, or bush by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to increase fruitfulness and growth. And I'm going to have to read that one more time. Pruning is to trim a tree, shrub, or bush by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to increase fruitfulness and growth. We can actually cause damage in someone's life when trying to help someone that is in their pruning season. Not to say that we shouldn't help someone, but there is a planting season, a pruning season, and there is a harvest. If you interfere while someone is in their pruning season, they may never make it to their harvest season. And I'm going to say that one more time. If you interfere while someone is in their pruning season or while they're being pruned, they may never make it to their harvest season. So sometimes it is good to pray someone through the pruning season so that they can make it to the harvest. Like it says in the old proverb, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you'll feed him for a lifetime. So with that, teaching others the importance of being patient and allowing themselves time to grow and learn is golden. It says in the Bible in Philippians 6:7, be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication. With thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your heart and your minds through Christ Jesus. Most importantly, don't compare yourself to others. That will just give you heartache and a bunch of negative thoughts about yourself. Just remember, everyone has a backyard, and you're not tall enough to look in other people's backyard. Monitor what's going on in your own. All right, guys, that's the message for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if it helped just one, that's awesome. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.